Hi, my name is Andres Khalifa and I'm gonna show you how to solve this equation with the definition rule. First of all, you have to change the x to x plus h. So it's the square root of 1 minus 4 x plus h, right? After that, you have to subtract the original equation. After that, you have to divide everything by h. After that, you have to simplify it. So it's 1 minus 4x minus 4h minus 1 minus 4x, all this divided by h. Okay, now we see the equation like this. It's simplified. We cannot simplify anymore nor change it. So we are going to have to apply another equation. The other equation is just multiply by another fraction, that is this, the numerator, all of the numerator, but instead of negative, we put it positive. So it's 1 minus 4x minus 4h, all of this plus 1 minus 4x, right? And we have to do the same procedure in the bottom side. 1 minus 4x minus 4h, all this plus 1 minus 4x. All this is in square roots, as the problem says. After that, we're gonna have to do FOIL of these equations. So first we multiply this times this. So the square root cancels out and it's 1 minus 4x minus 4h. After that, we multiply this times this. That is plus 1 minus 4x minus 4h, and then we multiply it times 1 minus 4x. And then we multiply this times this, that is minus 1 minus 4x. This multiplies by 1 minus 4x minus 4h, right? After we have this, we notice this. Oh, and then we have to multiply the last equations. That is negative square root of 1 plus 4x, right? So after this, we notice that we have some similarities. Oh, the square root here cancels. We notice that we have some similarities. For example, this and this. So this cancels out because it's subtracting. Then we have to cancel out the ones, that are, one is positive and one is negative. Then we cancel out the 4x, that one is positive and one is negative. So we cancel them and we're left over with negative 4 over h. No, negative 4h over h. And we haven't cancelled these terms, so we still have them. 1 minus 4x minus 4h plus 1 minus 4x. Now that we see this, we can still cancel the h. So first of all, we cancel the h's. So we're left over with negative 4 on the top, and we don't have any more h's on the bottom. And after that, we have to put the h equal to 0. So 1 minus 4x minus 4, 0, because this is the x, the h, plus the square root of 1 minus 4x. We multiply it and we see that this fraction is square root is equal to 1 minus 4x, and this square root is equal to 1 minus 4x. So it's the same square root. So it's, and if you have a plus sign here, you're saying that there's two of them. So the only thing we need to do is negative 4 on the top, 2, because there's two of these, 1 minus 4x. After we see that, we only have to cancel these. So we make it negative 2 over 1 minus 4x. And after we did this, that's the answer to our question. This is how you solve derivatives by definition. Hope you enjoyed my explanation. Thank you.
Hello, I am Jorge Lozano and I am here to demonstrate how to solve this problem using the power rule. First of all, we have to leave this out because you cannot have an exponent in a root. So you have to have x5 over 2 over 3. And on the next one you can have it on the bottom, so you have to set it up. And you will do so by setting it up as a negative, and you leave it on the downside just a 1. And the next one, it's fine as it is. You don't have to do anything, just iron as it is. It's okay. Now, you can have it like, you have to start multiplying. In this case, it's going to be 5 over 2x, and it's going to be over 3 over x because you're going to use 1 to do this multiplication. It's still going to be over 3. And then next step, you're going to have to multiply t7 to minus 3. It's going to be minus 21 x minus 4. It's still going to be minus over 1. And the x is going to be x times 1, so it's going to be a 1 over 2. On the next step, we're going to send these two down because we can have it like that. So it's going to be 5x 3. Here it's going to be 6. Because these two, we're going to send it down, multiplying. It's gone, and this is gone. This is going to be a 6. And here, we can have it as a negative, so we're going to send this 4 downwards, and we're going to turn this into positive. So it's going to be plus 21 over x4, and this is going to stay the same. It's already complete, and this is going to be your final answer. Thank you very much.